I asked you if you'd finished your exam. I did finish my exam, but it was a very difficult one. Why? What happened? Okay, the teacher gave us a lot of difficult questions that I didn't see before. Ah, you mean you haven't seen before? Yes, I haven't seen before. Okay, and what did you do? I tried to answer them. I think I answered 5 questions out of 10. Okay, and the rest, I left them. It was very difficult. Oh my gosh, you left 5 questions? Yes, I did. What should I do? It was very difficult. Okay. No worries, let me speak with your teacher. بس حاولوا ترددوا الأسئلة والإجابات دي ورايا. أنا لما بيكون عندي زمان لما كنت ببقى عايز أتكلم إنجليش كنت بقعد أعمل محادثة كده، أتكلم وأرد على نفسي، أتكلم وأرد على نفسي، والطريقة دي كانت كويسة جدا، فحاولوا تطبقوها. سلام.